wa kitaka eri kushangwa omuri Jinja City. Emikoro ey'omwaka ogu yabereye hansi y'omutwe oguri kugira ngu building a Uganda that we all cherish. Emikoro egi yatandika na president ari kurambura enyiriri za parade na bwanyuma niko hakabaho okumakinga okwabiserukale ahamwe n'abandi bantu ekyacamura abantu babutosha. Mwezi wa President Jessica Arupo yatabarusi ya NRM okufika myaka 38 niko kusima President Museveni ahabwo obusinge obulyo mu ihanga. Omukugamba kwe aha mukoro ogu President Museveni yagira ngu ahansi ey'obwebembezi bwe tiine muntu ori kwikizibwa kuteganisa omuntu wa hansi aho yatandikira ari kwebuuza ahabwenki bakuru b'amashomero ahamwe na nabo bukiiko bari kurya sente za UPE bakagaruka bakabinga beegi obutashoma.
In 1996, after that election, we introduced UPE, and we said the money you have been asking for the children to pay, the central government will send it. Don't charge money anymore. And we have been sending that money. These people can give you the money we have been sending to these districts. But the head teachers and the PTA don't respect that. They take the money, but also charge the children. And that's how the children are expelled from school. We told these people, stop charging these children money. And if the capitation grant we are sending is not enough, tell us, we send more money so that instead of chasing the children out of school.
Presidenti yagaraka yagira ngu omwaka gw'ebyesente ogw'2026 na n'emyaka eri kugenda higuru ngo aine hurire ndijo eyari kwenda kutandikaho bitu nayenda obushagishi okuruga omu bantu boona.
In the coming financial year of 2024, 2025 or 2020, that one of those years or the one after that, we are going to start a new campaign on this issue. Now, but I want support from all of you so that we don't tolerate anybody who undermines that program.
Ogu yagira ngu abantu bamugambira ngo enkuto eya Nairobi Bridge okuza mukono yatandikire kuzama ebyina kandi obwo tibakamazire emyaka 2 bagikozire niko kuragira Minister General Katumba Wamala okugira ngo akore okucondoza arebe niki ekibireho.
Then they told me that this road, that new road from the bridge to Mukono through Buyukwe, that it was finished 2 years ago, but already potholes have started developing. And indeed, when I was driving, I started seeing the potholes in the new road. I started seeing those potholes. I had not attended to them, but when they told me, I saw some between Nyenga and the bridge, the Nairobi Bridge. So I wanted General Katumba to go on that road. And what happened? We have just finished that road.
President Museveni yayongera yagamba naha bintu bitano ebirime by'obwegese, wealth creation narisho bugiga bwabona ebyamagara obusinge ahamwe na nemirimo.
So therefore, the point I want to emphasize is number 1, education for our children. And in the government schools, we introduced free education. It must be implemented. Those people at Nyanga started telling me about nurseries and so on. I said, if you are nurseries, me, I start with the primary P1, went to Andikira. Then the next one is wealth creation in the homes, where emyaka come in. I will come back to Soga for a zone tour. We shall talk more about that. Now the third one is health. It seems there is some issue also with the Amadagara Marwadro, but that one also we are going to check. That group told me about the Marwadro and some issue of the drugs. The other issue is peace. That one we are working on. The army is involved. I'm always directly involved. That one is moving well. In spite of the bad situation in Congo, in Somalia, in South Sudan, and the infiltrations which we get from there once in a while, the Uganda is very peaceful. Now, then the next issue of the masses are the jobs for the young people.
Ahanshonga eyo bushomankuzi President Museveni yagira ngo ihanga niribasa gukora byinji guconke kizibu neco bushomankuzi obwo ariyo narondera omubazi.
I saw that the Committee of Parliament is going to, I don't know what, no. Committee of Parliament, once you are a thief, you are a criminal, CID will move in and deal with them. If the Auditor General has shown that, then the next stage should be CID, not political, because political would have been bypassed by that time.
Aha mukorogo habaho okhereza emidari aho abantu batari bamwe na bamwe batunga emidari bari kusimwa ahabwe mirimo eyibakorire ihangari ya Uganda.
Mr. Zala Sanon Moses